Hi, I'm Nicole from Take It From Nicole, and today I am sharing with you Olaplex number 3. This is the bond repairer. Of all the Olaplex products that they have on the market currently, this is my favorite. And if you have damaged hair, this is a godsend. It is absolutely wonderful. So as far as using it, it says that you can use it 1 time a week, or if you have really damaged hair, 2 to 3 times a week. I will be honest, I should use it 1 time a week. I'm like a once a month kind of a person when I do use it. So how to use it: you go into the shower, you're gonna wet your hair, and then you're going to saturate it in your hair, basically from scalp all the way to the ends. I have a lot of hair, so it takes a little bit of time. And they will ask you to leave it on for a minimum of 10 minutes. You can leave it on longer, and I always try to do at least 30 minutes when I do it. So what I usually do is put on a bathrobe, and you can put your hair up once you have it saturated, and I just kind of clip it or put it in a bun out of the way and then go do something or watch TV or something. But you want to let it sit and work. And what makes this different, it is not a leave-in conditioner. It is actually a bond repair product. So it repairs the actual bonds in your hair that become damaged from heat, styling, and swimming in chlorine and all the other things that are bad for your hair. So it works beautifully, makes your hair super shiny and smooth and manageable, and repairs those broken bonds so that your hair doesn't look so damaged. So I highly recommend it. I've never had any issues ordering it on Amazon. It's always been just as good as the ones I've bought from other retailers. So I cannot recommend it enough. Such a great product.